Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to check sign-in activity in Microsoft account. The first thing you do is that you sign in or log into your Microsoft account by putting your input credentials in your app or website. Then the next thing over here, you click on privacy. So after clicking on privacy on the left hand options or menu, next thing you want to see sign in. Okay, it's not on privacy. Let's click on security then. Sorry, it's on security. Then you can see view my sign in activity. So click on view my sign in activity, and to show you when and where you've used your account. Then you should recognize each of these recent activities. If one becomes familiar, click it to let Microsoft know. So I'm looking at it. Yes, they all look. It's correct. And that's it. That is how to view or check your sign-in activity in Microsoft account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.